This is the RS5 Sportback.
Joining the existing RS4 Advance and RS5 Coupe and Cabriolet, the Sportback is priced at $157,700 plus on-road costs in Australia. Like those cars, power is drawn from a Porsche-sourced twin-turbo V6, which is mated to an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive.
Sportback develops its power, the torque curve between forward.
The performance on hand here is simply mind-blowing, but there's nothing simple about the RS5 Sportback's underbody credentials. Audi's legendary all-wheel drive system, a Quattro Sport rear differential, RS Sport's exhaust system and adaptive dampers are all standard fitment. The RS5 Sportback rides on RS-tuned 5-link suspension at both ends and employs steel brakes clamped by 6-piston front and 2-piston rear calipers. That's just as well. The Sportback weighs a sizable 1,840 kilograms.
Which means that you don't get any lurching or hesitation from low speeds, and the engine is devoid of turbo lag. It's really smooth and progressive with the way that it builds speed. On the open road, you're never feeling fresh and ready for more.
A similarly sporty vibe permeates the cabin, with lashings of carbon fibre and plenty of Alcantara. Creature comforts like Audi's virtual cockpit display, wireless phone charging and a Bang & Olufsen sound system lend the Audi a true tech-centric vibe. The RS5 Sportback scores points on safety as well. However, a relatively cramped rear seat and high-set rear windows may ultimately limit its family appeal. Unsurprisingly, some may come away from Audi's sledgehammer performance car thinking it's a little bland. And make no mistake, we initially fell into the same trap. But being understated is the RS5 Sportback's MO. After a little bit of time, you soon realise this is the consummate all-rounder.